Welcome to O'Neill Industries' signature health and wellness program, LiveSmart. LiveSmart is the comprehensive health and wellness program for O'Neill Industries and its family companies. The program provides employees and spouses with comprehensive health screenings and coachings, as well as information, programs, and motivation to live happier and healthier lives, both at home and at work. Participation in LiveSmart is voluntary and all information is confidential. There are many benefits to participating in LiveSmart. You will meet with your own personal health coach who will help determine your health risks and assist you in reducing those risks. You can earn up to $300 each year, plus receive a reduction in your healthcare premiums. LiveSmart can provide information for other health resources, including weight loss, tobacco cessation, and diabetes management. You will also be eligible for fitness and recreation reimbursement each year. All of these benefits are free to you as part of your LiveSmart participation. Every year, LiveSmart comes to your location for your Go Platinum health screening and coaching event. Be sure to sign up ahead of time with your LiveSmart ambassador for a screening and coaching time. During your morning screening appointment, your blood will be measured through a finger stick. This will determine your cholesterol, triglycerides, and glucose levels. Height, weight, waist circumference, and blood pressure will also be measured. Make sure to fast from eating or drinking anything for 10 hours prior to your blood work. You may drink water and take any medications that do not require food. Remember to refrain from tobacco and caffeine the morning of your blood work. This way, your health coach can obtain the most accurate results. You will have a second appointment with your health coach to discuss your results, determine your club status, and develop your individualized health plan. We will also have a t-shirt for you. Since its start in 2011, LiveSmart has strived to positively impact the lives of O'Neill Industries employees and spouses. Take a look at what a few of our LiveSmart participants had to say about the program. As our summer tour dates are fast approaching, look for your LiveSmart health coach at your location soon. For any questions or comments, contact LiveSmart at 888-501-1252 or by email livesmart@o'neillind.com. Check out our website, www.livesmartoni.com, for more information and for your LiveSmart summer tour date. We'll see you soon!